Thokozane sanibonani versus Ndlovukazi Robin. Nkosazane. Like the way I'm so used to saying Nkosazane Robin. Yo, Nkosami. Those of you that do not know me, my name is Robin Malupi. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. So I'm playing one of my favorite candles because yeah, mavula kuvaliwe and wenza izinto zenzakale, you understand that. Undla swilo swi endlakala, wa tirha, wa bereka. You know, so a white candle can do a lot of things, guys. You can use it for so many things when you're doing your rituals, when you're praying, when you're partnering, when you want to connect. Like, she is the girl she thinks she is. Like, she's so amazing. Like now ukuthi unetithunywa whether bit mahloti ungena konke uyaphahla uyathandaza, you're doing your rituals of nothing that takho tikhanyele. White akasali, white uyakhanyisa, nafuna kuchumana netingelosi takho, ufuna kuphamisa tingelosi takho. White is very important for you to use, right? Saying maybe ufuna kuchumana nengelosi yakho, I would prefer ukuthi maybe you can do this ritual for 7 days. Wendani thola 7 emakhandlela lamhlophe, get your 1 rands, get your water bowl, vuka kuseni, vuka ebusuku, uyathandaza every day. Ngeloso kuphela, ngeloso kukhanya. Bita wena ufuna ukwazi ukuthi ungubani, ufuna this and that, ufuna kukhanyiselwa ku this and that, ufuna umsebenzi. 7 emakhandlela, they never disappoint. Yenda msebenzi uyenda msebenzi lo yenda msebenzi. It can be 7, it can be 3, but I would prefer 7 emakhandlela lamhlophe ukuze izinto zakho tihambe tikhanyela tibe tihle. Ungayo nanguthi tivaleke kakhulu, ungahamba esidulini, hambe nelikhandlela elimhlophe lakho, hambe na 1 rand. Lo wena tinto tendakale Nkosi yami, wena tinto tendakale. Thola isidulile esiphilako, umkhanyisa umfake phakathi, qala umfake phakathi bese uyamkhanyisa, ufake 1 rand wakho ucele. And when it comes to money as well, when it comes to money rituals, uyasebenta Nkosi yami. Oh my goodness, uyasebenta. You can pair her with green or just her alone. She does wonders. I love khandlela elimhlophe because lingena konke, li so diverse. Like lenza msebenzi, let me just put it like that, lenza msebenzi. So now utata ukuthi uhlushwa tithunywa la, now uhlusha amadloti kuyaphahlwa. When you're doing your rituals of now ma rituals akho asebende, nawugeza la ithatha khandlela elimhlophe ukuze nezinto zakho tikhona ukuthi tikhanyele, ungamshiyi white Nkosi yami. White uyakukhanyisela. Thokozani emakhosini. I love you guys so much. It's been a while. I've missed you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.